Hola, greetings. How to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in New Mexico, United States. Welcome. I am Emre, the webmaster of cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for investors living in New Mexico, United States. How to deposit money on Binance. How to buy Bitcoin. How to buy cryptocurrencies. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in this video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback links and codes. This is our website, cryptocurrencyusa.net. You can get all information about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. How to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin with credit card, where to buy Bitcoin, videos, and news about altcoins. It's so easy. Now we should go this page, list of top cryptocurrencies. In this page we can get information about best cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bancor, Ripple, Binance Coin, and others. And news about cryptos. Now, firstly we need information about Bitcoin. We should click this info button. In this page, we can get all the information about Bitcoin. Now, we are living in New Mexico, United States. How to buy Bitcoin with easiest way. Just one click, get BTC. Let's go.